Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And you might know by now that when I'm wearing my Kelowna shirt, that means I'm demonstrating a unit that came from Canada. Kelowna is a part of British Columbia. This job comes from Victoria, British Columbia, and I've actually worked in BC in a professional capacity. My last day job was at Cobham Aerospace Communications. Cobham sent me up to BC to learn the products put out by Northern Airborne Technologies, NAT, so that they were buying out that company, and so I was sent up there to give my department sort of a head start on learning about the NAT products and all that stuff. And so yeah, I proudly wear my Kelowna shirt because I was up in Kelowna, BC in a professional capacity. So let's get to the unit. This is an Oldsmobile, typical Delco T400 8-track player. Customer states it was not working. It was working when it came in, fully functional. It changed tracks. It had output on both sides. It did require service. The output produced a lot of static during quiet passages. Speed was a bit slow. Belt needed changing. The capstan had that shiny band that needed to be removed. So it is fully serviced now, and I also, on these Oldsmobile units, the wiring could be pretty confusing. There's a few different types of connectors, and so whenever a customer has trouble, says a unit's not working, and it's working when it reaches my shop, that usually means a wiring error on the customer's part. So I label all the wires on these units when I send them back, just in case the customer hook something up wrong. This will help them figure it out, or maybe a local technician to figure out how to hook it up. So I'm going to stop blabbing and I'm going to pop in some Neil Sedaka. Here we go. Alrighty, check our speakers. Balance left, balance right, balance right. Okay, volume down, volume up. Okay, and there's our tone control all the way down, so tone control is working properly as well. Okay, so we don't need these anymore. I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, left 10 will come in, there we are. Okay, those are test tones that I accidentally put on the tape. Okay, we're not done yet. Everything's working, but we're not done yet because the way that these Delco separate radio 8-track systems are configured, it's the 8-track that actually connects directly to the speakers and the 12-volt supply. When there's not a tape in there, there's a switch that sends the speaker, or that basically connects the speakers and power to the radio. And that switching occurs inside the 8-track. So if you've got this type of system and the 8-track is out for service, the radio won't work until the 8-track comes back, because it's the 8-track that says, okay, radio, you can have the speakers and the power because I'm not playing a tape right now. So we have to make sure that the radio signal passes through the 8-track to the speakers when there's no tape inserted. So we're going to test the left side first. It's going to be kind of a faint tone. We'll test the right side first. Okay, there's our radio signal going to the right speaker. Let's make sure it goes to the left speaker as well. Okay, and there's that. And I've already tested to make sure it sends power to the radio as well. So now we're good. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service. Now, this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Do not call my number looking for a belt, looking for some obscure part that I'm not going to have, and especially don't call me to ask me how to fix your unit. I can't believe people do that. You know, do you guys call your mechanics and ask them to walk you through replacing the timing belt on your car? Come on, guys. This is a business. This is not a hobbyist website. So If you're willing to pay for my service, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Wayne. This comes from Wayne in Victoria, BC, and it's out of a 71 Olds 442. I've learned from my customers, do not say 442. My customers tell me it is a 442. So this is out of an Oldsmobile 442. Thanks, guys.